لله واحد القهار لا إله إلا الله وحده لا شريك له له الملك وله الحمد وهو على كل شيء قدير أشهد لا إله إلا الله وأشهد أن محمدا عبده ورسوله قوله تعالى بعد أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم فبما رحمة من الله لنت لهم ولو كنت فظا غليظ القلب لانفضوا حولك فاعف عنهم واستغفر لهم وشاورهم في الأمر فإذا عزمت فتوكل على الله Inna Allah yuhibbul mutawakkilun. After praising the Almighty Allah Tabarak wa Ta'ala, peace and blessings be to our beloved Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam. In this video, I will be explaining why Prophet Muhammad, peace be upon him, is my favorite. First of all, Prophet Muhammad, he had that obedient heart. Even if you go harsh towards him, he will be patient. And if you bring your own matter, if you bring your own opinion, it will be very easy for him to follow what you say. Like, look at the periods of Sulhu al-Hudaybiyah, when the Quraysh people told Prophet, go back, there is no Umrah this year. And he accepted. So I'm trying to show you that the heart of the Prophet is different from Prophet Muhammad was different from all prophets and from all creatures. Fabima rahmat min Allah. And so by mercy from Allah, linta lahum, you were obedient, you were lenient to them. Walau kunta fadda ghalidh al-kalb, even if you had that harsh, if you were rude in your speakings, if you are rude in your speeches, lanfadhu min hawlik, people would not have followed you, they would be scattered from you. Fa'af anhum, pardon them, pardon on them, be polite on them, be patient on them. Wastaghfir lahum, and seek forgiveness for them. Can you imagine? Like you've insulted someone, instead of insulting you, he prays that God forgives you. So this is what I'm saying, that if you're a Muslim out there, learn, cope up with the ways of Prophet Muhammad, peace be upon him. Like the Quran says, لَقَدْ كَانَ فِيكُمْ رَسُولُ اللَّهِ أُسْوَةُ الْحَسَنِ. And the Prophet is the great example for us to follow. هُوَ مِنْ خَلْقِ الْعَظِيمِ. His creation, his behaving is beyond your imagination. وَشَاوِرْهُمْ فِي الْأَمْرِ, and get involved in their opinions. فَإِذَا عَزَمْتَ, and if you're confused, فَتَوَكَّلْ عَلَى اللَّهِ, give your patience towards Allah Tabarak wa Ta'ala. Lean on, rely upon Allah Tabaraka wa Ta'ala. Inna Allah yuhibbul mutawakkilin. Truly God likes those people who rely on them. What do we benefit from this video? The first thing is that if you're a Muslim out there, don't be rude like when you're doing da'wah. Like if someone does not agree with you, don't abuse him and say that for you, you will go in fire, for you God does not like you, for you, because the rahmah of Allah Tabarak wa Ta'ala, the mercy of God, covers every creature in heaven and earth. Even if you are a pagan, even if you are a Christian, even if you are a Muslim, even if you are a what, you will get the same mercy. That's why this verse begins with Fabima Rahmat min Allah linta lahum. And for the mercy of God, O Muhammad, you're lenient to them. وَلَوْ كُنْتَ فَضَّ غَلِيظَ الْكَلْبِ. If you had that harsh, if you were rude in your talkings, لَنْفَضُّوا مِنْ حَوْلِكَ, they could not follow you. Or what do we learn? So learn how to behave in your words out there. If you're a Muslim out there, get in touch with us on www.badrukaneza.blogspot.com. Counselor Records and Entertainment, Arrows Records Forever. The aim of this channel is to call everyone to think about God. Even if you're a pagan out there, even if you are a Christian out there, even if you are a Muslim out there, even if you are a Pentecostal out there, even if you are a Jehovah's Witness out there, it is to bring you close towards Allah Tabarak wa Ta'ala, to teach you proper ways of having faith in Allah Tabaraka wa Ta'ala. I greet Google AdSense team, I greet Mind Valley team, Vision Lakiani CEO, I greet Eva Coach CEO, Ajit Naolka, I greet Rapid Transformation Therapist Dr. Marissa Perry, I greet the Dietista Amy Walker CEO out there, I greet Angel Marie Empowered Mission out there, I greet Brand Tracy International University out there. If you want to learn public speaking, he's there for you. Here we work with everyone. I greet Leanne Rogers Leadership Strategies. I don't forget my brothers Adrak Hussein, Adnan Ahmad, Mbaraka Ahmad, Zahra Ahmad, Warda Ahmad, and our mother. We don't forget Hajat Kamiati and the family of Basaja Balaba out there, Ashraf, Basaja Balaba, Mbarak, Basaja Balaba, Mzungu, Amisa, Amina, everyone who is listening to us, who knows us. We don't forget all Muslims out there. We don't forget all religions out there. We don't forget all Christians out there. Come, let us interact, let us brainstorm towards Allah Tabaraka wa Ta'ala. I don't forget Dr. Simone Hodgins, Soul Manifestation, College of Styles, Dr. Sandra Colton, Cindy Donovan, Traffic IVs, Lina, we don't forget Bushen, Bushen, we don't forget Lisa in Inquid. Peace and love.